So hello and welcome everyone, myself Sanket. So in this video, as many were requesting that for June 2021 give us a study plan. So first time I have really worked hard and made this video with dates and each details. So if you found the video useful, please do hit a like, and I guarantee you after watching this video minimum 3 revisions you will be able to do. So if you are appearing for June 2021 single group, or you have given one group in January and you are awaiting for result, everybody inter final foundation can watch. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I am assuming that you will start your studies from 1st February 2021. So from 1st February 2021 you target 2 subjects per day. 3 to 4 hours you give for one subject and 3 to 4 hours again you give for the other subject. Only study the study material. At night you can refer my MCQ 1 hour. If you are interested, the link is given in the description box. So 1st February to 28, 1 month, we are studying 2 subjects per day for full 1 month. 3 to 4 hours each subject, only and only study material. And while studying, if we come across certain difficult questions, we are doing a star mark ki this question is tough. Then in 1 month you will complete 2 subjects. Now in 1 month, how to complete 2 subjects, individual study plan I have already given in the playlist, so you can refer that, how to study cost accounting, financial management, whatever is there. Then from 1st March to 7th March, 7 days we will revise these 2 subjects, right? So we have studied 1 month and the first revision of the 2 subjects is done from 1st March to 7th March. 2 to 3 days we are having grace period. If something goes wrong, then you can utilize. Then from 10th of March to 10th of April, okay, again we will target the remaining 2 subjects. We have 4 subjects, so we have done 2 subjects here. So the remaining 2 subjects we are targeting in March to April month. Again 1 month, 2 subjects per day, 3 to 4 hours one subject, then again 3 to 4 hours other subject. Only study from the study mat. At night refer 1 hour MCQ. While studying, you might come across certain numericals which are very tough, so you just star mark them, that yes, these are something which I have to star mark and make sure they come in my second or third reading. Then from 11th of April to 18th of April, that is 7 days, you revise these 2 subjects which you studied. So till 18th of April, 4 subjects study is also over and one time revision is also over. Now this is very important. Then from 20 of April to 30 of April, that is 10 days, you revise all 4 subjects. Again only from study mat and practice only and only MCQs. So don't refer other materials. We will refer them in the later dates, but not this time. So again we have 10 days. You can plan or give 2 days or 3 days per subject, and you can revise all 4 subjects again from the study mat and MCQs. And this time you focus on star marks, which you did here. You had some questions which were tough, so here you already practiced them once, but still if you are left or if you think that certain things were tough, we are again focusing here on the star mark questions. So all 4 subjects you do from 20 to 30 April, 2 days or 3 days you do only and only study mat. Means whatever we studied the study material and we studied the MCQs, right? So only these 2 we are again doing, so that we are very much confident and ready. Then from 1 May to 7, this is 7 days. Now this is something new. Now you do past exam question paper for last 3 terms, that is 6 papers. In each term 2 papers are there. So you focus on last 3 terms question paper and do MTPs. Now, what are MTPs? If you are new to CMA, they are mock test paper. They are hosted on the website icmai.in. If you go in students tab and you click DOS and then you go to students tab, there you will find MTPs. So do MTPs of last 3 terms. Again, this will be 3 into 2. In each term, 2 MTPs come. So 6. So from 1 to 7, we are practicing past exam question paper for 3 terms, that is 6 papers, and we are doing MTPs for 2 subjects only. Example, we have 4 subjects A, B, C, D. So for A and B only, we are doing like this 1 May to 7 May. Then 8 May to 15 May, we are doing for the remaining 2 subjects, that is C and D. Okay. Then from 16 to 22. Okay, so I will once again brief you. We have already done study mat, we have done its revision, we have done MCQ, we have done its revision, again we have done study mat and MCQ revision. Then we have introduced new things, that is past exam question paper and MTP. We have done 7 days for 2 subjects, then again 7 days for 2 subjects. So study mat, MCQ, past exam question paper and MTPs are covered. Now from 16 May to 22 May, revise the 2 subjects, that are A and B. And now what you will revise? You revise the study mat, and now you cut mark the star mark questions, because first time we had done star marks, then we did their revision, then again we did their revision. So I think this is the 3rd time. So in the 3rd time, I think the star marks question should become easy for you. So now you focus on star mark and you cut, because now you will feel that it is easy. Yeah, I have already done 3 times practice of the star marks question also. And you revise the 2 subjects A and B from the study mat, MTP and past exam question paper. Again, that 6 to 8 whatever you download, you practice. And from 23rd of May to 28th of May, you practice the remaining 2 subjects, that is C and D. Same study mat, MTP, past exam question paper. Make sure that your star marks question which you already did become easy, so that you cross them. And after this, 28 May to 4 June. Now this is very important. This is just prior to your exams. So we are dividing this 8 days into 2 days each. So 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. So 28 to 29 May, you do subject number 1 or A, whatever is there. Full revision now. This is the last revision. We have already done study mat, we have done MTPs, we have done MCQs, we have done past exams. So we have done everything. Now we just have to do revision and make sure that we are able to compile the whole subject and revise the whole subject in 2 days. So subject 1 in 2 days, then 31 subject 2, then 1 and 2nd June subject 3, and 3 and 4 June subject 4. So likewise, I will tell you that you are revising 1 time, 2 time, this is also revision, 3rd time and 4th time. So nearly 3 to 4 times you are doing revision without any pressure. You are allotting one month time for a study of the subject. How to study that subject in 1 month, I have already made a video. And if you follow this, then I am pretty sure that you will clear the June 2021 exams with flying colors. My best wishes with you. If you found the video useful, do hit a like and share with all the CMA students. I am sharing the screen. You can take a screenshot and you can follow. This is very achievable plan without any problems or unrealistic things. Everybody can study 6 to 8 hours per day. And at night, please practice MCQs, because MCQs are very, very, very important. So this is it. I am signing off. If you found the video useful, do hit it a like and share with all your friends. Thank you so much. All the best.